How to change reservation in Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your reservation that is already made in the Airbnb app or Airbnb website. Now I'll be showing you here on the application or Airbnb. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your Airbnb and you want to make sure you're logged into the account that you previously made the reservation from. Now once here at the bottom of the screen you can see various options: explore, wishlist, trips, inbox and profile. Simply tap on the trips option there and you'll be able to see any trips that you have reserved right here. Now in my case I haven't reserved any trips unfortunately, but here's what you can do. Once you're here you'll be able to see your reservation and your reservation info. All you have to do is you'll have to click on show details option and there it'll give you two different options, that is to change or to cancel. If you want to change it, you want to simply tap on the change option there, and under change reservation you'll be able to change the dates of your stay or the number of guests, and then you want to simply click on the save option. Now once you do so, it'll review the changes and then simply review your changes and then click send request and your reservation should be changed. So this way you can change your reservation in Airbnb. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.